In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to 1v1 in Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a 1v1 lobby in Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that, as weird as this is, you will not be able to do split screen in this game, or what people refer to as couch co-op, meaning that if you want to share the same console, share the same screen by connecting an additional controller, this is impossible. For whatever reason, the developers never bothered to add split screen. So as it stands today, you can only do 1v1s if you are playing online. Each of you will have to own the game on your PC or console respectively. So once both of you have an account set up with the game, you will be able to set up a 1v1 lobby in the Hokage's office. In here, choose Survival Exercise. This is where you will be able to set up a lobby with up to 6 players, but of course you can also use this lobby to do 1v1s. So choose Survival Exercise and then select Practice. Once you choose Practice, you will be taken back into the overworld, and if you look at the bottom left, you can see all of the settings about the battle that you are about to make. If you open the player list by pressing the touchpad on your controller or a respective button on PC, you can access the friends list and see the people who are in the lobby. Now just choose any of them from the list and then send out the invites to the team. They will get a notification that they can accept, and once they do, they will be placed together. Now the sad part about this is that there is always going to be a bot. If you want to do 1v1s, there is going to be 4 bots in the lobby. Every time that you invite a person, 1 bot will be removed. So if you have 3 actual players in the lobby, there will only be 3 bots. With 4 players, there's going to be 2 bots, and so on. It is extremely unfortunate, but there's always going to be a bot, regardless of how you try to set this up. And of course, if you don't want to do 1v1s and you just want to play together, another option is in the VR Ninjutsu Arena when you choose co-op missions. You just do the exact same steps. You invite your friends to a party and then you go over to the VR missions and you will be able to do them together instead of battling against your friend. I hope I was able to help you on how to 1v1 in Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.